susu ba haka country utrik jom dai Oktober in sakot biang ya committee naman yung siya sir pe kumo sir general secretary jom ka Meghalaya Food Teachers Association hapo jom kata committee ka bang elasyong nado bunai Oktober hadu August arja pusan kidon saki waipat ki association ngin kwa bangin separate bangin yapai nyong ba kanu karai ka bang sorkar kan penbena kan pensiau ngin dai ban nasiau lang haju. The Chief Minister okay fine, I will call another meeting on 16 October. Bangin kodlang ya baro gitu ke association ibadai jo kinohikai SSA but ibadai jo ki food teachers bangin ya keren hakbai de bakini ki matching dawa. Country break jo dai October mila syong ka meeting. Ka meeting ka bangila sang numno duna handru baje lumka. Janme oh nya sutu ha ko sni baro kino hikai se kini pisah langha bon ki balay phone ngi sa balay kampat depsi kata ka meeting baro asis ni ile up nyom up kampat ngimpat dep ti kolong ka bas no tenang hakani ka meeting sibon kibangan sepuli ya kani ka minute ka jinge keren jongi hakabai dei pakini ki ap di kimat cingdawa kibana kaliang joko sorka neng bai honorable chief minister badan profesor Konrad K sama ila pulang hakmat jongi kinoyelam jom kumong ki para noyelam mene habangi yai nanti yang ni kam ye kendo shimon kijinge shimon kiden penting ye kendo one after another one after another. Kawai kau akan mau, kau imei jonga jusnen, yang pet pun. Kani kalenti kau pisim banyalam, ikni keno hikai SSA, kamde kalenti pasuk. Hoi mana ada imei indon show, mentah sah pertanyaan kelat. Kani kalau kau mau sah jusnen jongi yang ba, kau mau you play. Kenal you play hakmat. Kema kanu ka kam ka pile. Nara biklet you play pinompoy shakato. Bon sin ni kum kinoelam ni or ni ha. Hane ni yo sneu ya ka jing pasiao. Ka na shalor ka bong. Kokon ki na bapat na or. I am here with you. Nios kau yang kata kantin kau pasiau, kau kikon yaj syaklat, pekat kita ki hajar mut kino hikai, kau future ke jomki kadon hakalengkor jom kino yalam. Aingo you play, baka jim dua jengi way pay way, oh jangan country utrik jom nai Oktober, kidon ki parang kai mikrofon yang ni. Kibara yang pangnot nama ke cingduai kecongki kong ba ni kwa bau blai unjubap no ni cingduai so kan ni na duai ni kwa bau blai unjubap no ni cingduai jungi no menta kasni hachwa bangan pule ya kini kau mainut nganong tangkat ni to God be the glory for everything he has done. To God be the glory for everything he has done. Maklem ublay nginom la ban achieve yakane ko ban achieve kita. Kumawang kumala de kren aswa jonga ni habang ipe yakane ka minutes ni kala biang hani. Hanre ngimtip pi kino hikai pisno kuno. Anda ngila de ban yeto ya pi ngin simlang ya karai. Kai kaba pi ai karai miro ngin menjolang ya kata kai kaba mi menta nang ni madan malti ni kum kinoyalam jompi ngin pentelun ya kata ngan puli ya ka kum bakalong and at the same time ngan translate daka kasi Minutes of meeting chaired by Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya with the members of SSA Teachers Association in the Cabinet Room Main Secretariat on October 16, 2025. Sri Conrad K. Sangma, the Honorable Chief Minister, who chaired the meeting, welcomed all representatives of the SSA Association present, namely the All Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association, the Meghalaya SSA School Association, the All Garo Hills SSA School Teachers Association, and the All Meghalaya Fort Teachers Association. He then requested the Commissioner and Secretary, Education Department, to initiate the discussion.
Juga penduduk luar. Tehnya penduduk luar.
The Commissioner and Secretary Education briefly outlined the development since November last year. When the SSA Association began their agitation demanding pay enhancement and job security. He highlighted the subsequent discussion held between the Education Department and the SSA Association in response to these demands. The members of the various SSA Teachers Association first expressed their gratitude to the Honorable Chief Minister for convening the meetings and providing them the opportunity to present their concern. They then placed before the chair their key demands, which include: number 1, ensuring job security of SSE teachers beyond March 2026, when the Samagra Shiksha program in the present format is scheduled to conclude. Number 2, granting SSA teachers a structured pay in the form of a regular pay scale with provision for annual increment and protection against inflation. Number 3, taking over of community-managed SSA school that have committed their willingness to be handed over to the government. And number 4, extending equal treatment to 4 teachers at par with other SSA teachers, including direct transfer of their salaries to their respective accounts. The members also expressed over the recent Supreme Court judgment regarding SSA teachers without the MTED certificate. They requested that the government future actions in implementing the judgment be undertaken with positive consideration and sensitivity to the teachers' situation. The Honorable Minister in charge of education emphasized that ensuring the quality of education in the state is closely linked to addressing the issues faced by teachers. He noted that resolving teachers' concern is particularly critical as the Samagra Shiksha program is set to conclude by March 2026. And the forthcoming program is likely to have reduced financial support from the government of India for teachers' salary. Akabay day ba kani baro sikatang yo snow ba nakalian jong association niong ba kani ka scheme SSA katkum kasiti balapa ng government of India house name arajar puway hubnay August kaong ba SSA kan kut kajingira pisa hakalay puway trik hubnay March arajar apon riu. Hangni umday tang mangik association kabaong. Wat nagaliang jong government lingbay Honorable Education Minister Isar Lakman Romboy. Ila kren syay kani iong ba kani ka program jong ka SSA nani kata kasama grasik siya kabang iong kan kud ha umaj arajar apon riu. Kala aroban continue tang ba hakabayade ba ka financial support yang ketulok jong kinohikai SSA kan reduce kan duna and kan continue tang yitiway di intervention. Syay kani The Honorable Chief Minister reiterated his firm commitment and determination to find a lasting solution to the problems faced by SSA teachers as well as other categories of teachers currently receive fixed pay. He stated that the objective is to resolve this issue once and for all so that the future generations of teachers do not have to endure similar challenges. He observed that the roots of the problem lies in the existing of multiple grant-in-aid schemes under which teachers are being paid differently. The Honorable Chief Minister further pointed out that Meghalaya, with 14,582 schools, has the highest number of schools per capita in the Northeast and one of the highest in the country. The state also has the highest percentage of government-aided schools in the region. He acknowledged that the current system of fixed pay provision little security or assurance of future increments. In this regard, he suggested that the Education Department and the Teachers Associations should work together to evoke a structured pay system with automatic and periodic salary increments. At the same time, he underscored the importance of rationalization of schools and teaching positions as a necessary step to improve efficiency and sustainability. The Honorable Chief Minister concluded by stating that once these reforms are undertaken, collective focus should be directed towards the holistic development of students and the advancement of education in the state. He also assured that the concern of the 4 teachers will be duly examined and addressed. After detailed deliberations on the issues placed before the chair, the following decisions were arrived at. But kabangan puli menta kami kandai kata assurance. After detailed deliberation on the issues placed before the chair, the following decisions were arrived at. Number 1, introduction of structure pay system. Introduction of structure pay system. The government agreed to introduce a structure pay system comprising base pay and dearness pay. The base pay will be determined based on the seniority of teachers, while the dearness pay will increase annually, regularly at a fixed rate to offset inflation. The new pay structure will be applicable to all SSA teachers, including the 4 teachers. Syai kani, kai kebangidawa boro shikata niong, balada ka sorkar pankan pentiu ya ketulok jongi ngikwa akan pentrikam ya ka pay scale structure. Kepada ika hok jongi kakumbala Pridak hak artiak 2009 bagi norms bat guidelines jong ka SSA. Kalau kumtu kembang mentan, kembang pulih. The government through the Honorable Chief Minister Sarkod Ratse Kike Sama have agreed to introduce a structure pay system. Bakin ayam ni ya ka pay scale structure along with what? Basic pay and dearness pay. Sai? Basic pay and dearness pay. Ka base pay, they will base lani kinshim kakum ka seniority jong u nong hikai. And the dearness pay, akabaide bakani ka dearness allowances skin increase annually, lani regularly kakum badai ban increase ya ka DA at a fixed rate na kabanta bante rakam ya ka jingki dor jong kimal kimata ba kunjuro kenang ba kinohi kai tin biang ka jingyo jingkot. Syai bro. Pahakabai day bakane ka pay scale structure. Ni ong lupai pi kan sadon kata ka jingya per way na way ka way na ka way. Bale na maka base pay they will base according to the seniority of teachers. Syai kaning hapsul tho ba ngim kwa banja mong baja harus nam arga kamriu kabana kaliang jongi ka association to por nila yakren baka tulok jongi kanlong hakani kadur tangba ndala yo we train and train ka disiu ka yaper bon ki parano hikai ki susi but nila persya yang karai no soka tingin kwa ba the same will repeat again tingin kwa ban yeto ipi hang ni ka basai bayakan ka pay scale structure kapangin yo kandon kajing per way no ikai but ka way no ikai na maka base pay nani kata ka bangi ong hakaway kantin ka basic pay kaban sedang in base according to the seniority of teachers. Upa join come and shwa mun come here upa join tang arlai slam mun come rin chai. Number 2, joint development of pay structure. Within this framework, the Education Department and the SSA Teachers Association will work jointly to finalize a mutually agreeable pay structure. The structure will aim to ensure the welfare of teachers while maintaining fiscal prudence and avoiding undue financial burden on the state exchequer. Syai kani kata kan new pay structure kabaka sorkar kan September nakalian jongi ka nakalian jong education department but ni association jong kinoy ka SSA but for teachers ngin sigendo biang hagini ikan dia sni kenang ba ngin ya keren kaba kumno kata ka pay structure ngin manra kenang bakan dong biang habaro arlian balai bakan ini hab ya keren biang pinhab syai ba hagini ikan dia benai nakalian jong government karena dia notify bakalapan